Ni na udhocha ngumanyithie na tuyatiania thini wa Facebook ni Mutongoi TV. Gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Charity Ngilu wa chama cha Narc na ukuukitia kivila cha ungavana Kitui David Musila na chama cha Jubilee nimaweta methukuma mwamba nundu syama syoo ngwatanioni ya Azimio la umoja ni kana kwosa kivila cha ungavana wa Kitui. Ngilu aineena na andiki mama ubo ni waweta ethiwanu kunengwa mwanya wa uthukumi ngwatanioni ya Azimio la umoja ni ukweka kuitia kivila cha ungavana wa Kitui na kukwata kw'oko David Musila balanake Musila aiweta anengwa mwanya wa uthukumi ngwatanioni ya Azimio kwa tamba uteti wa Charity Ngilu kunyubwa ya keli kauntini ya Kitui balama weta mayisa kwitikila ukiteima kivila cha ungavana wa Kitui ungua syama yaleite ngwatanioni ya Azimio na nikila cha waipa na cha UDA na ateti asu ni Malombe na Mueke moselele utongoi wa kaunti ya Kitui. Onesmus Chalo nukutupingu ya bilingi wa maubo.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Charity Ngilu wa chama cha Narc na muvingani wake wa vakuvi David Musila ukuukitia kivila cha ungavana kaunti ya Kitui na chama cha Jubilee nimaweta methukuma mwamba nundu syama syoo ngwatanioni ya Azimio la umoja nikenda kwosa utongoi wa kivila cha ungavana va kaunti ya Kitui. Ngilu aineena na andiki mama ubo ni waweta ethiano kunengwa mwanya wa uthukumi ngwatanioni ya Azimio la umoja nukweka kuitia kivila cha ungavana kaunti ya Kitui na kukwata kw'oko David Musila balanake David Musila waweta anengwa mwanya wa uthukumi ngwatanioni ya Azimio la umoja kwa uteti wa Charity Ngilu kunyuvwa ya keli.
We have agreed on one thing, that we are both candidates of Azimio la umoja. He's running as governor of Kitui on Jubilee ticket. I'm running on Narc ticket, and all those two parties are in Azimio. The other party is UDA is our competitor, and the other party is Wiper, and the Wiper has disengaged and say that they are not part of Azimio. So we, the two candidates, gubernatorial candidates for Azimio, must continuously consult. We are not enemies at all.
We are Azimio candidates. We will respect one another in our campaigns and also campaign for the presidential candidate for Azimio. And as she says, we are the only two Azimio candidates, and therefore that suggests that we must be friendly. Therefore there will be friendly fire in between the two of us, I think, and that's why we are standing here to consult as members of one political union.
Haile ni maweta maisa kuetikila okitima kivila cho gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui ungua syamilite ngwatanioni ya Azimio la umoja moselelo tongoi wa kaunti ya Kitui.
If she gets a national seat, obviously
then we'll have only one candidate.
There will only be one candidate.
Correct, that is correct.
Called Meko.
That's correct. By the way, Honorable Senator, that is very true. If I am to be given something else, and I will sit down with my competitor here, because I've only one where I'm concerned, the other one is not in Azimio, I can only support the Azimio candidate. I cannot support somebody who is not in Azimio, isn't it? That's what it is. Or if he gets, you know, he might also get. Let me not say I'm the one to get. He might be the one to get. Any of us can be told, come, we give you. Let the rest, the other person run. We will agree. Okay? And that is what has been happening. There has been a lot of negotiation.
Haile manene ya unyumbani ya mbombano ya multipurpose musini wa Kitui balame kwa maniti na maofisa mazama unyumbani na mevaka ile kwa maniti ya teti alama kukitivila kivathuka nyo kuma Kitui Charity. Ngilu na Musila ni maweta kana methwa meithiuka kaunti ya Kitui kukonea maleve muteti wa kivila cha usumbe ungwa ngwatani ya Azimio la umoja Raila Odinga kithitone cha kwosa utongoi wa nthi ya Kenya na kukwata kura mbingi kuma va kaunti ya Kitui.
We first and foremost want to make sure that we are going to win the national government, and we are both campaigning for Raila Amolo Odinga to be the president of the Republic of Kenya. And if I become the governor of Kitui, or he becomes the governor of Kitui, we will be in the same government.
Ngilu nwaweta wana Musila maithia wana uthukuma tene na nundu chama cha Wiper nikivetangia kuma ngwatanioni ya Azimio la umoja wana Musila ni makwithia meikwatana kw'oko na kuthukuma imwe. Ona we avone mamutula muti mutongo wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kwa kulea kwitikila kivila kilona nengiwe nthini wa ngwatanioni Azimio la umoja maiweta Kalonzo ena wendi wake indi ti wendi wa mbai vala maweta Kalonzo ethitu atena muungamo mulumu.
Because our competitor is Wiper seated there and UDA. All right, because they are not in the same coalition. In fact, I need to go and have tea with you.
We will have it very soon.
Very good.
Kivila cha Ngavana kaunti na Kitui kiithitwa kiyukitwa ni Charity Ngilu wa Narc, David Musila wa Jubilee, Julius Malombe wa Wiper na Jonathan Mueke wa UDA vala kivalua chumo yucho mwelekea gavana wa Mbe wa kaunti ya Kitui Julius Malombe etina wa Ngilu na Musila kuona nyakukwata na kw'oko no kana kumuvalu cha unyuvanini munene ula ukite. Masemba makivila cha gavana wa kaunti na Kitui na manende ya kwaliuka gavana wa Oyo Charity Ngilu eiweta kuthukuma kwa vakuvi na muvingani wa kwa vakuvi David Musila ulwa kwita kivila ke ungua chama cha Jubilee ila sionthesi ungua ngwatanioni Azimio la umoja maiweta utongo wa kaunti ya Kitui ukuma ngwatanioni Azimio la umoja balama kwatiani kenda kuthukuma imwe delivota vilingwa movo kuma nyumbani sia mbumbano multipurpose musini wa Kitui Neta Onesmus Chalo.